It's a 2016 Nissan 370Z. This is so much more than just a car. This is a legendary sports coupe that was designed for the true driving enthusiast. Feel the magical exhilaration from the 332 horsepower 3.7-liter V6, providing not just power but fuel efficiency as well. The wide stance and low center of gravity promise plenty of thrills, especially when rounding that sharp curve. Of course, high performance necessitates high protection as well, which is why this 370Z is equipped with a collection of safety features, including vehicle dynamic control with traction control to ensure a confident, enjoyable driving experience. If it is performance you seek, this 370Z is waiting. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.